So from this example, what we are discussing, we are going to discuss one concept, nothing but designing of low pass Butterworth filter using BLT, or we can say bilinear transformation method. Already we discussed how to adopt, how to follow the steps in order to design air filter using BLT. So let us take an example about this concept. The normalized low pass filter with cutoff frequency of 1 radians per second. As I told, normalized means always cutoff frequency is 1 radians per second. Is given as the low pass filter is given as HP of S. See, prototype P stands for prototype. HP of S equal to 1 divided by S plus 1. Use the given HP of S, this one, and BLT, nothing but bilinear transformation, to design a corresponding digital air low pass filter with cutoff frequency of 15 hertz and sampling rate of 90 hertz. So in this example, he is given low pass filter of cutoff frequency 1 radians per second system function, as well as is given cutoff frequency. We have to design digital filter by using this system function. We have to design digital filter for these specifications. Sampling rate is 90 hertz and cutoff frequency is 15 hertz. Using these specifications, for these specifications, we have to design the digital filter. So recall the points. First, we have to express frequencies in terms of digital frequency. First, WD omega d equal to 2 pi ft. 2 pi 15 hertz is given. I'm going to substitute here 15, nothing but here what I am doing, here I'm representing the given values in terms of digital frequency. Omega d equal to 2 pi f, where f value is given, that is 15 hertz. I will substitute here 2 pi multiplied by 15, that is 2 into 15, that is 35 radians per second. Next, sampling rate. Sampling rate is what? Of 90 hertz is given. Nothing but we want sampling period, so t equal to 1 by f is what? 90. So hence t equal to 1 by 90. So what is the first step? First step, as per the previous video we discussed, first step is pre-wrapping analog frequency. Pre-wrapped analog frequency, nothing but converting digital frequency component to analog frequency components by performing pre-wrapping. So what is the formula? See, it is the given. In this example, it is given. It is of low pass filter. Low pass filter, we have the formula omega A. Omega A, nothing but A stands for analog frequency. We are calculating analog frequency from the digital frequency. Omega A equal to 2 by T tan of omega D multiplied by T divided by 2. Omega T stands for desired frequency. Already we calculated, that is 30 pi radians per second. Substitute here. T is already we calculated, that is 1 by 90. All the values we have to substitute here. Hence omega equal to 2 divided by T is 1 by 90. Tan of omega D is calculated, that is 30 pi multiplied by T is there. T is what? 1 by 90 divided by 2 as it is. Through the simplification, it becomes 180 tan of 30 by 90, that is 1 by 3. 1 by 3, nothing but 3 into 2, 6. Hence it is a pi by 6. 180 tan of pi by 6. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30. Pi is 180. 180 by 6, it is 30. Hence 180 tan of 30 is, after doing the simplification by using calculator, we are getting 103.92 radians per second. We calculated an analog frequency of 103.92 radians per second. Next step is perform the prototype transformation. Prototype transformation means as per the given filter. See, this in this example, it is of low pass filter. We have to design low pass digital filter. So because of that reason, perform prototype low pass filter to low pass filter. So for that, we have the formula h of s equal to hp of s. In hp of s, it is given, hp of s is given. In hp of s, wherever s is there, that s is replaced by s by omega a. Omega is already calculated. Hence, this is what hp of s. Wherever s is there, that is replaced by s is replaced by s by omega a. Then it becomes 1 divided by, here s is there, that is replaced by s by omega a plus 1. and take the LCM and do the simplification. Hence it becomes h of s becomes omega a divided by s plus omega a. Omega a is calculated, it is 103.92 radians per second divided by s as it is plus 103.92. Okay, so we perform the prototype transformation. Last step is converting analog. It is what? Converting analog filter to digital filter of given specifications by using BLT method. That is, apply the BLT method to convert analog filter. H of S is analog filter. Digital filter is represented as H of Z. So convert what we are using. We are converting analog filter to digital filter H of Z. Convert. That is analog filter to digital filter by using BLT method. Using BLT method means nothing but H of Z. H of Z equal to wherever S is there. S is replaced by in H of S, wherever S is there, S is replaced by 2 divided by T multiplied by Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1. T is already we calculated, T is 1 by 90. Hence, if you do this simplification, hence wherever S is there, that is replaced by 180 multiplied by Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1. Here I will substitute. S is there, this value I will substitute here. And for simplification, I will divide the numerator and denominator by 180 because 180 is present here. So divide numerator and denominator, the entire denominator by 180, will get 103.92 divided by 180. 180 divided by 180 get cancels. 103.92 divided by 180. Next, simplify this for numerator, we'll get the answer 0.5773 divided by Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1 plus simplify will get 0.5773. Next, for further simplification, I will multiply the numerator and denominator now to eliminate this term. I will multiply the numerator for simplification purpose. I will multiply the numerator and entire denominator by Z plus 1. That is 0.5773 multiplied by Z plus 1. Coming to the denominator, Z plus 1 multiplied by this term, this and this term and Z plus 1 get cancels, left with what? Z minus 1 plus 0.5773 into Z plus 1. Okay. Next, further simplification, multiply the terms 0.5773 Z plus as it is 0.5773 divided by Z minus 1 as it is 0.5773 Z plus 0.5773. So here observe here, coefficient term is 1 is there, coefficient term is 0.5773 is there. So 1 plus 0.5773, it becomes 1.5773 Z minus 1 plus 0.773. So we are getting the answer as minus 0.4227. So we have to express always this is always 1. We have to express this term as always 1. Because of that reason, what I am doing, I am dividing the numerator and denominator by whatever the term is present here. This is what 1.5773 Z is there. So because of that reason, I will divide numerator polynomial as well as denominator polynomial by 1.5773 Z. Hence it becomes 1. Sorry, where it is? Here. It becomes 0.5773 divided by 1.5773 will get the answer as 0.3660 plus similarly 0.3660 Z to the power minus 1, and this divided by this will get 1 minus 0.4227 divided by 1.5773 Z will get minus 0.2679 Z to the power minus 1. So ultimately finally we got H of Z, it is the digital filter. Hence H of Z equal to 0.3660 plus 0.3660 Z to the power minus 1 divided by 1 minus 0.2679 Z to the power minus 1. Hence, by using a bilinear transformation method, we designed the digital filter. That's it. Thank you.